What is LinkedIn and how does it work? So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be guiding you about what is LinkedIn and how does it work. So first, simply if you haven't already, just make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed your LinkedIn application on your mobile device. So once you have successfully downloaded it, just make sure you also have logged into your account. So once you're inside finally here, you will be seeing this home screen button over here. So under the home section, you will be seeing all of the posts regarding the types of the people you follow and the content of the people you like. So you will be seeing a bunch of different posts, like as if you were seeing a post on the Facebook. So it might be related to job or anything like that. So before I guide you through about in detail, what I want you to talk about is what is LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is basically a software application which is built to guide you or help you find job and apply for your job online. So it doesn't have to be online or offline, but you can apply it online. The job could be on site or remote, so depending upon your search condition. So once you're inside here, just click on search and you can search different types of tips and or even jobs. For example, let's say I'm searching for web developer or web designing. So once I search in for that particular, I will be seeing lots of companies or even jobs where I can apply by simply clicking on it and clicking on this easy apply button, or I can also save that particular job for later. So you can view different companies, people, groups, just like this. And under this, your bottom section, as you can see, there's a video section. So this is new updated feature where you can simply view it, your LinkedIn, as if you are using Instagram Reels. And but it's mostly related about your job or content you are liking. So you can also click on this My Network to view and grow your network, just like this. So if you have any pending network, you can simply approve them by simply clicking on this right button over here. And you can also view a bunch of notifications over your tab bar, just like this, over your search and how much you have appeared in your search in the recent weeks. You can also get a lot of job offers if you have applied to any, to your notifications as well. To your jobs account, finally, here is a option called jobs. So this is where you actually find all types of jobs according to your preference. So let's say I want to apply for Node.js developer. As you can see, I can simply view its responsibilities, role, and simply click on apply and go on with fully detail to providing my CV as well as my information, personal details. So that is exactly how you can easily apply to jobs on LinkedIn. And you can also post different types of post if you are a creator, just like this, by simply tapping on this plus icon over here and sharing your thoughts, your images with text, and your projects. You can also share your projects just like that. You can also see the messages by simply tapping on this top right corner. And finally, once you click on your profile at the top left corner, just like this, you can also do a lot of stuff by simply heading over to your settings and including your sign-in details, your security, and if you need any help, you can also contact a help center of your LinkedIn. So just click on your tap on your profile icon to view your profile section, just like this, and here you can add your top skills, just like this, and also see your analytics about who view your profile and who how much post impression you have got. So this is just like a job searching platform, which is actually a job searching platform. So that is a was a quick guide and tutorial on how you can easily use your LinkedIn and how does it work and what is LinkedIn. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.